Want to know the main reason that new truck owners don't succeed? They're not prepared for catastrophic engine failure. When you're constantly on the road, engine failure is a very real possibility and something drivers need to take into account when planning their business. Engine failure, also referred to as engine overhaul, involves any type of engine problem that causes significant damage and needs invasive repairs. Unfortunately, most lenders don't cover the costs of an engine overhaul, so more often than not, drivers are left with the money they owe on their vehicles plus the cost of a new engine. That can range anywhere from $25,000 to $75,000. In this situation, drivers are left with tons of debt, no vehicle, and no work. The good news, though, is that National Truck Loans covers these costs. National Truck Loans is dedicated to semi-truck construction, vocational vehicle, major repairs, working capital loans, and trailer financing. This way, if you do need an engine overhaul, we will cover it for you and get your car fixed quickly. Get back on the road right away without the headache and stress of paying for an engine overhaul all on your own. Simply learn more by going to www.nationaltruckloans.com today.